In today's MindMup quick tip, you will learn how to use hierarchical labels to easily identify elements on a mind map. From the main application menu, select View then Labels. You will see several ways MindMup can identify nodes. The first option, Sequence by Level, marks elements with the level and the clockwise ordinal number within that level. For example, the node with the text "Very Smart" is on level 3 of the map, 4th clockwise among all level 3 nodes, so it will get the index 3.4. This numbering system is great if you want to easily identify levels, but it does not make it easy to trace an entire hierarchy. The hierarchical numbers option assigns an index to each node clockwise on each level, and appends it to the parent number. It makes it easy to identify the whole path to a node. For example, the node with the text "Very Smart" is under the first root node, within the second sub-node, and it is the second child of its parent, so it will have a hierarchical index 1.2.2. If you just need a unique index, but don't care too much about levels or paths, the sequential numbers option assigns simple unique labels. To try out hierarchical labels, create a new map using MindMup from www.mindmup.com.